The world of web series has exploded in recent years, and Netflix has been at the forefront of this revolution. With thousands of shows to choose from, it's no wonder that many of us have succumbed to Netflix fever. From drama and comedy to sci-fi and horror, there's something for everyone on this popular streaming platform. Choosing what to watch can be overwhelming. I mean, who hasn't spent hours scrolling through their Netflix feed, trying to decide on a show that'll keep them hooked? It's like being a kid in a candy store, with so many sweet treats to choose from, but not knowing which one to indulge in. The paradox of choice is real, folks. You spend so much time browsing that you end up watching nothing at all. To make things easier, I've curated a list of 10 web series that are sure to satisfy your Netflix cravings. First up, we have Stranger Things, a nostalgic sci-fi horror series that'll transport you back to the 80s. Then there's The Crown, a historical drama that follows the reign of Queen Elizabeth II. If you're in the mood for something a bit more lighthearted, Schitt's Creek is a heartwarming comedy that'll leave you laughing out loud. Other standout shows include Narcos, a gripping crime drama that explores the rise and fall of Pablo Escobar, and Black Mirror, a thought-provoking anthology series that'll make you question the dark side of technology. The Umbrella Academy is another must-watch, with its unique blend of superheroes and dysfunctional family dynamics. If you're a fan of true crime stories, Making a Murderer is a riveting documentary series that'll keep you on the edge of your seat. Orange is the New Black is a powerful drama that sheds light on life inside a women's prison, while The Witcher is a fantasy adventure series that's perfect for fans of Game of Thrones. My top pick from this list has got to be Stranger Things. I mean, who wouldn't love a show that combines sci-fi, horror, and coming-of-age themes? One of the most memorable moments for me is when Eleven uses her powers to take down the monster in the Upside Down. It's a pivotal moment in the series that showcases her growth and bravery. From drama and crime to comedy and fantasy, these 10 web series showcase the incredible diversity of storytelling on Netflix. So, whether you're a seasoned binge watcher or just looking for something new to watch, I highly recommend checking out these titles. So, what do you think? Are there any web series that you think should have made this list? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this, and I'll catch you in the next video.